Little old you.
Light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness.
Big time chef.
Oh boy, so like I said, we're gonna go to Sephora and then possibly Ulta because I have a gift card that I
Hey
need.
guys, I am at Sephora right now. I am going to help my girl T Cooks, Taneisha, pick out some makeup so that she could do her everyday look. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we just left Sephora. Now we are going to Ulta for part 2. Yeah, every day is gonna last you longer. I mean, because I have like 5 or 6 different foundations and I have yet to replenish because I rotate
like every day.
No, I don't. I don't wear makeup every day, not anymore. Because obviously when I was working at MAC, I had to wear makeup every day. Now that's not my 9 to 5 or my full time, like I don't wear makeup every day. I only wear it on the weekends. That's when I start to look like somebody on the weekend. Enjoyed this first segment of our shopping experience. Stay tuned for part 2 where we go over the products and a makeup application. Bye you guys.